Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi, and guys, in today's video I'm just going to show you all how actually my morning or slow day in my life looks like. Not going to record the whole thing or a whole day because most of you guys already know how it actually goes. I just had my shower and like did some workouts, and I woke up around 11 a.m. because I had slept very late last night. उसके बाद because मेरे कुछ chapters थे and there were few things that I had to complete by any means, so I woke up late till like 3 a.m. in the morning and then went to sleep and then woke up around like 11 p.m. Sorry, 11 a.m. and उसके बाद I did my workout, and workout के बाद basically I directly went to take a shower. And yes, plan is this कि I have still few things left जो मुझे आज करनी है. For example, completing the topics and enroll for the course that I actually wanted. And in Delhi, it's so raining, and it's been raining since I would say early morning, and it is not stopping. But thankfully the weather has improved a lot by how it was earlier. Like there was so much humid in the air, and no, there was like moisture which like you feel very irritated and not feeling good about it. I like monsoon to be honest, but I don't like going out in monsoon. And currently you can see how gloomy the weather is, and it's constantly raining since early morning. But thank this is my study text right now. I know it look cute, right? And that painting is basically I have drew basically. I drew this, and yes. अभी अभी I had a shower और मैंने अपने रूम में ये कैंडल lit करी है to the God by doing some prayers. I don't think anyone really prepares you for how weird life feels after graduation. When I was in a college, my mornings were always rushed. Wake up, get ready, check the time, attend classes, finish assignments. There was always somewhere I had to be. And now my morning looks completely different. I don't have a job right now intentionally. So guys, I'm done with the journaling. Like, wait, completed writing this whole page, and I have written something that is very close to my heart. And now I am going to continue with my study session, like completing the topic which I was about to complete till yesterday late night, but वो हो नहीं पाया था for some reason because I felt so sleepy and I wanted to be so focused on so that I my concepts so clear before IELTS giving exam. Actually made two notebooks. One is like my vocabulary and important note taking one, and this is my detailed notes of each topic. अभी तक as such मैंने अभी course enroll नहीं किया है. I told you guys many times. This is the paper I was practicing all the things over here. कि if actually I have understood the tenses or just memorize it. Then finally I have understood the whole concept behind each and every tense. And मैं actually my two tenses are left like of a past and few parts of a past and few and complete future wala tense. So I'm going to complete that. And also in morning I have like edited one long short video and converted into short form and uploaded on my YouTube channel. And yes, here I am cleaning my desk or arranging it so that I could start with my study session, in which I will be doing a reading section today along with revising some of the vocabulary. So, yes, this was actually how life used to be since I don't have a job right now. And I must say this that it was all intentionally. And sometimes saying that out loud still feels a little scary to me because we are so used to this idea that once you graduate, you are supposed to immediately get a job and start your career, but that's not what I am doing right now. I'm preparing for IELTS because I want to pursue my master's abroad. So technically, I don't have a 9 to 5, but I still have things I'm working towards. And the biggest difference is that nobody is giving me a timetable anymore. Right now, I'm completing tens with the help of Dear Sir's video. So guys, अभी 2 बज गए हैं and this is my lunch for today. Soya chunks and gravy वाले, some veggie, some onion and two chapati with some fried rice. एंड स्वीट डिश में है आई हैव दिस प्रोटीन बार इन स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर. मैंने आधा इसका मेरे भाई को. सो या दिस वॉज इट हाउ माई स्लो मॉर्निंग्स लुक लाइक. एंड बाकी तो अभी आई एम गोइंग टू हैव माई लंच एंड अलॉन्ग विद लाइक वॉचिंग सम वीडियोज़ और सम इंग्लिश पॉडकास्ट. देन उसके बाद लाइक आई यूज़ टू लाइक स्टडी फॉर मोर 2 hours एंड लाइक 4:30 के अराउंड आई यूज़ टू टेक माई नैप. और फिर वही एंड फिर मैं उठने के बाद लाइक आई यूज़ टू गो टू लाइक ऑन टेरेस जहाँ पे आई लाइक डू सम वॉकिंग एंड देन ऑल्सो वाटरिंग माई प्लांट. सो ये बेसिक रूटीन होता है जिसमें थोड़ा सा आई ऑल्सो यूज़ टू हेल्प माई मॉम. एंड देन इवनिंग में उसके बाद अगेन मेरा स्टडी सेशन शुरू हो जाता है विच यू माइट हैव सीन इन माई लाइक अर्लियर वीडियोज़. Most probably I hope that I would have uploaded that. And yes, so this was it from my side. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. I know my life is a bit boring, but this is what it is since I don't have to go to college, I don't have to go anywhere else. I have to spend my day like this only, like trying to engage myself and trying to make myself busy as much as I can, since right now priority is like giving exam. So abhi ke liye to I am focusing more on it, and hopefully I am manifesting so many things all together. Let's see if it's going to happen into reality or not. I will let you guys know. Baki at last I would say, I know things might not be going good. You just have to stay strong. You just have to believe in yourselves. Don't give up on your dreams at any cost. I know you might not be able to see your future. Like koi bhi nahi dekh sakta. Future is very uncertain. All I would say that one day something will happen and everything will change, and you would realize ki, oh, this was happening with me for that reason. So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Take care. Bye bye. Meet you soon in the next vlog. Bye.